Hello everyone, welcome to Anjali Talk. Hope you all are doing good. So as we have discussed in our previous video, introductory one, that how we are going to progress with these English learning series. So today I'm back with a new lesson. The topic of the lesson is greetings, जिसे हिंदी में हम अभिवादन कहते हैं. So when I say greetings, what are the things that pop up in our mind? So they can be, what do we exactly understand by the term greetings? Why do we need them? And how do we bring them in use in our day-to-day conversation? So yes, if these are the points that pop up in your mind too, then you are at the right place. So I hope you all are ready for this new lesson, so we can begin. So now I will touch upon some of the most important points related to greetings. Starting with what exactly is greeting. So it is an act of communication in which we make our presence known or welcome others. So, or in simple words we can say it is when you meet some person and you start any conversation with him or her, then we can say it is a greeting. So it can be with a person whom we already know, or it can be a person to whom we are meeting for the very first time. So these were a little about greetings, and now moving further, greetings can be of two types, formal and informal. So I'll start with formal greetings. Formal greetings is, we use formal greetings when we are in a professional or any important situation. In that case we use formal greetings. So if I have to give you an examples, it will be like if you are going for a meeting or any business talks or any presentation. So you can use these formal greetings if you are talking with your boss or maybe your colleagues or giving any presentation. So these can be some of the places where you have to stick to formal greetings, and I'll just elaborate and give you some instances that will make your understanding more clear about these formal greetings. So as we go for an interview, suppose, and how we are going to address the interviewer. So we can say hello, or we can say, depending upon the time of the day, like if we are going for an interview in the morning time, then we can say good morning sir or good morning ma'am. If it is good afternoon time, then we can say good afternoon, or if it is good evening, then evening time, then we can end up saying good evening. So these are some of the greetings that we use generally in formal as formal greetings. So these were some of the very basic greetings that we use in formal. And moving further, if we want to go ahead and if we want to take the conversation more ahead, then we can add up by saying how are you? So how are you is an expression that we use in formal greetings. So in response to that, the other person can end up saying, I'm fine, thank you, how are you? So there can be other possible ways of responding to this how are you. So I'm going to tell you that what can be these responses so that you can sound like a native speaker. So the responses to how are you may differ from person to person depending on the situation they are in. Therefore, the responses to how are you may differ accordingly. Like I'm good, pretty good, I'm well. So these can some of the other ways of replying how are you, because every time using I'm fine can sound a little dry and very boring. And if you are not feeling well, because there may be times when you don't feel well or too good or maybe so in that case you can use I'm okay or I'm alright. So now I am going further that if you want to go ahead with the conversation, you can even say I'm pleased to meet you, and it's nice meeting you, it's lovely to meet you, and it's a pleasure to meet you. So these can be some of the expressions that you can use in addition to the how are you. So these were some of the things about formal greetings. Now moving on to informal greetings. So as the name is a bit of self-explanatory, that informal greetings. Informal greetings are used when you are in a casual situation or in an informal situation. So it could be with your family members, your friends, and with those people with whom you are quite close with. So these are the informal greetings. So, and these will include like saying, if you meet someone whom you know very well, you can end up saying hey, or you can say hi, even you can say morning, and how are the things? Hey, what's up? It's not that what's up, it's in Hindi we can say kya hal chal hai, that what's up. So what's new? And now one expression is trending quite very much these days among the youngsters, long time no see. So it means it's been so long since we have met. So it means बहुत लंबे समय से हम एक दूसरे से मिले नहीं हैं. Then we can say long time no see, and it's good to see you, and how have you been? So these are some of the expressions, or you can end up saying yo. So these are some of the expressions that are quite popular in these days, present time, among the youngsters. So these were the informal conversation we use in informal conversation. So you can see that it's very distinct. You can easily make out that whether it's informal or formal. Formal sound bit standard and very very sincere kind of, but on the other hand, the informal are very cool and they are very casual type. You can easily make out once you just become used to of them. So it's not a matter of very clear distinction that you will think and then you will reply. It's not that. Once you become quite familiar to them, then it comes naturally. So this was all for today's lesson. Lastly, I would like to conclude with one note that formal and informal, both of them we have clearly discussed, but however there is no any clear distinction, and sometimes they are even used interchangeably. But one thing we should keep in our mind, that if you are going for any formal related conversation, we should end up using, or we should stick to formal greetings, and if it's other than formal, then we can use informal one that we have already discussed in our previous video. So this was all for today's lesson. Now I would like to request you all that keep practicing, keep learning. So now I would like to take goodbye from you all till we meet again. Thank you so much. Anjali Chauhan signing off.